been for Thailand.
Well, it would have been a real nightmare for Indonesia. Fakhruddin just falling over. Boarded with far too much pace and power here. Lovely first touch in behind, and then you think Fakhruddin's favourite to that. But Nadeo, excellent once again with that double save. But yeah, just going back to, as you see this chance once more. I think it's come off the hand of Super Chop. With that formation. So you can have Rahmat Irianto as well, just dropping into that back line if you need to. But I think this 4-2-3-1 works for them because it allows Ricky Kambuaya to have sort of that license to roam.
Here's Philip Roller. Chanatip! Oh, what a start this has been! Thailand in the lead with a scorcher from their skipper.
What a start for Thailand. They're on it. They are on it. Wonderful finish from Chanatip as well. It's on the edge of the area. He just peels away from Alfeandra, who has to go and help his defense out. No protection from the midfield there. They get drawn all over the place. You can see Rahmat Irianto leaves his midfield position, his central midfield position, gets dragged out, and so does Alfeandra. The number 13 goes out to try and stop Philip Roller. And then Alfeandra, as Roller beats 2-3 players in there, draws those defenders towards him, and then that creates a space for Chanatip to go and power that home. What a finish.
Fantastic goal from Chanatip Songkrasin. Witan Sulaiman, quick ball in. You can see what he was attempting to do, the Didik. Solid, isn't it? From the makeshift centre-back today. Wirata up the other end. Here comes Super Chop. He's steaming in. Cuts inside out the bag. It's still Super Chop. He goes back to Chanatip. Goal number 2. A fantastic counter-attack by Thailand.
Just too good. Individual quality and brilliance, giving Thailand this goal. Super Chop, absolutely superb. They win it there, nothing wrong with that tackle, and they go from penalty box to penalty box. Just have a look at this. 3 players up front, the first touch in there into Super Chop, and then for him to carry the ball all the way forward, turns it around, gets himself closed down by 3 Indonesian defenders. But Chanatip on hand after he played their first pass into Super Chop, joining in the attack, changing the angle of the run, starting from a deeper position, closer to the left-hand side, drifts in field, into the middle of the penalty box. The side puts it past Nadeo.
Here's Chanatip, quick ball into Super Chai. Now Roller. Look at that. Will, and that is an excellent goal. Keep calm, says Super Chop. And it's about time that he gets on the score sheet. What a goal again for Thailand.
That's just pure class. I mean, I don't know how you stop that. And the key thing here is Chanatip, and again the awareness as he receives to play very quick. Turns on the ball first touch, second pass goes in behind that defense into Philip Roller via Poklo. And then awareness just to leave it, time and space to pick his spot. It's a big gap for him to hit. It's a huge gap for him to hit, but Chanatip just there. He saw it. Receive, quick pass on the turn, body shape spot on, into Poklo, out to Roller, and then on the edge of the box. 2 goals.